Hey, what's up, guys? Solo road tripper here. Today is Friday, and yeah, and we're having a winter storm coming this weekend, guys. So yeah, and you can see here. We'll show you. So that's the east side. So as you can see, it's still clear, and on the north side, look at that, guys. It's very dark in that direction, the north. So the storm is coming this way to the south. So we're having a big snow this coming weekend, Saturday night and Sunday night, around 40 to 50 centimeters of snow. Yeah, so let's find out on Saturday and Sunday, guys. I will just keep you updated. Alright. Hey, good morning, guys. Solo road tripper here. Today is Saturday morning, so we already have light snow outside, so I'll show you. Look at that. Look at the window. So the light snow. So yeah, so it will become more heavy snow, I think, tonight and Sunday morning, I guess. Alright, guys, just an update for the winter storm. I'll just keep you posted. Hey, what's up, guys? An update. Today is Sunday, so I think the storm is finally here. Got a winter storm. So right now the wind is gusting up to 40 kilometers an hour, and it will go to 69 this afternoon. And see you outside. Yeah, it's snowing now. I'll go to the other window, so it's more clear.